guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a classroom reset. I usually do these types of resets every Sunday. So I wanted to just show you what I usually do on my classroom reset, which is getting ready for the week ahead. So at this time, we were actually out for a whole week because of the ice storm. So that's why I'm adding on all those numbers, because we were out all those days. And I had a chair I needed to put together. I just had little knick-knack stuff that I needed to do, plus get the classroom ready for Monday. So usually I'm like pretty good about like building stuff or putting stuff together, but with this chair I was struggling so bad that at the very end of it I kind of like gave a thumbs up, because it took me forever to put that chair together, and it's just for some reason I could not get it together. So anyway, I just wanted to explain why I gave a thumbs up at the end, because it was a struggle. So now I'm just going around and putting all the chairs down. But at the beginning of my videos, I love to introduce myself to anybody who may be new to my channel. Hello, my name is Courtney, and I do cleaning videos. Also, I am a full-time teacher, as you can tell. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for tuning in to my channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you like things like this. I like to do some videos from my classroom, and then I do videos from my home. And so if you like anything like that, please make sure you push that subscribe button. Also, make sure you say hello in the comments if you don't like to comment, because sometimes I don't like to comment on people's video. You can leave an emoji, and that lets me know that you were here, you were watching, and that really does help out my channel so much.
Lovers in action, yeah. One of us is gonna get hurt. You got your madness, and I'm good at bad habits.
So right now what I'm doing is sorting out everything that I've already laminated and cut out. I have drawers by the days of the week, and so I just need to sort everything into those drawers on the days that we were doing each activity.
This is fatal attraction. These are times of crowds of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Took a shot for the magic, but we're crashing into tragic. One of us gonna get hurt. I would love to see you cry. I would love to shut you out. Baby, I'm the gift that's never given.
So now I'm just getting small groups ready, and one of the small groups that we do is always a fine motor skill. So I always have an example for the kids so they can follow what to do. And on this activity I ended up cutting the paper for them. Usually I have them cut the paper and then glue it on, but because they had so many strips to cut off, I just decided to go ahead and cut it for them, so it'd be a little bit faster, so they can get it actually done during a small group. But they are still going to be cutting the triangle there, which is the snowman's nose, they will be cutting that part. So they're still getting their fine motor skills in with the cutting part. But I always go ahead and just have one sitting up on my little board or my easel there, which you'll see in a few minutes, and the kids can always look back to it so they'll know like what they're supposed to be doing.
You've got the madness in you. I've got the badness in me. You know what you gotta do. If you got any sanity, this is fatal attraction. These are times of crowds of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Took a shot for the magic, but we're crashing into tragic. One of us gonna get hurt.
So these actually turned out so cute. I will try to remember to post like a picture of all of them because they're hanging on my reading log. So I'm gonna try to get a picture and post it on my Instagram. So make sure you check out my Instagram. It's the Life of Courtney 19. So you can see what the kids did. I just love everything that they do because I have my example there, but they do it how they want to do it, which is fine. It's just there to kind of guide them if they get a little confused on what they're doing. So, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and post that on my Instagram when this video goes live. So at this point, I was pretty much done. I was trying to get my desk area and my table area cleaned up, and so I'm just trying to put everything in its right spot. I usually go to school and stay about the longest I've stayed, maybe it's like 3, maybe 4 hours. It just depends on the day and what all I need to get done. I do make sure that I leave in time because I actually go to my afternoon service, church service, and so I have to leave at a certain time because I do live an hour away from my church. And so anyway, so I'm just trying to like get everything ready because it's about that time that I need to be like getting back home and getting ready for church. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment down below. If you can, leave a puppy dog down below. I would really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.